come for address a little matter. I come for address a little matter because no big pussy girl, no big pussy now suck cocky boy, now no long time batty boy. Kia pussy me up. Yeah. Me no mascot, no batty boy, now no suck cocky big batty boy. Kia pussy me up. My blood clot telling you this. One night of the blood clot party. Wanna see me in a war? Me the in a war? Me the in a blood clot war? As the dentist going in my blood clot mouth, so gonna look a preaching in my mouth. Or they make me have to come for live and sing myself. Look how the dentist read Psalms 27 on my blood clot mouth. Eh? Look how the dentist read Psalms 27 on my mouth. And juke up me look them out and father and look at teeth them and say, alright, next session a couple more, we're gonna fix a couple more. And when I come for live and sing my blood clot teeth them and then dentist tell me say me so catch guy up on my teeth. Me never done a blood clot war, so oh stinking Noel. Oh, you forgot tell a man say, oh, you forgot tell your man say, me, wall you, wall and pop me, wall and pop back to make Ronnie beat you, eh? Oh, you forgot tell a man say, me, wall and pop back to make Ronnie beat you. When me come down there, I already see you, Ronnie fight already, Ronnie beat you with the blood clot button. But don't come to Ronnie beat with the blood clot back. Now you big stinking Tian. Dirty nasty blood clot Tian. You come talk about no girl if you call the name Kano immigrant. Me no blood clot doc. Me no blood clot Daka. Me no Daka, me no blood clot dreamer. Me no Daka, me no blood clot dreamer. Me a blood clot believe in her. Me a believer. Me no Daka and me no blood clot dreamer. Yeah. Me no blood clot Daka, me no blood clot dreamer, me a believer. Cause you have to believe it before you can blood clot do it. Me no blood clot dreamer, and me no blood clot Daka, me a blood clot believer. So you have to blood clot that, but you don't want to get calling him cause you don't rough the blood clot. Just stop big up your blood clot status. Stop big up the status cause the status now do nothing for no blood clot. Cause if me have status like one in a blood clot, me not see in America, me gone all blood clot, but me gonna Guangzhou, me gonna Dominican Republic, go learn how to say Amalcasita, me gonna learn how to speak blood clot, different language. If me have blood clot paper, can fly like uno. Me fly out the whole universe, no blood clot, all Mars, my blood clot reach. All Mars, my blood clot reach. Stop big up on the blood clot status. Or to make people without papers and mad in the blood clot. Or to make people without paper mad in or to have a machine blood clot documents and not about to know the not take no international flight. Stop big up on the blood clot citizenship. Stop big up on the, me never know say your blood clot state ID mark. You're supposed to be treated better than Batman. Me never know say your blood clot state ID mark that, eh? Me never know say your blood clot state ID mark Prince of Blood Clot America. Eh? And my one mark dirty alien from the blood clot gully. Me never know say that my blood clot mark. You come talk about stop calling him cause you're no refugee. Because any girl blood clot name him can spell T-I-A-N. Change your name to supercalifragilisticexpialidocious blood clot. Just some will stop calling it cause that hard to pronounce the blood clot. That hard for blood clot pronounce and by the time I don't break that down in syllables, all 42 stitches that have to stitch up back my blood clot tongue. Brighton blood clot out of order. Brighton blood clot out of order. Me never in a blood clot war. Every day blood clot, no say you running it fight already. Mother blood clot bite out cause I jump him. If you did no sound of fight, mother blood clot bite out cause I jump him and I meme their blood clot wait and I me call him. And me blood clot call him. And me call him. So me did know say you and him fight already. But I sweep on your blood clot and foot off of the ground cause jump on the blood clot jump him. When him whoop up Noel, me say, ask blood clot Shadi. Me never the hide and blood clot said ask Shadi. Me said to him say Ronnie whoop up to you now. Me never know say you beat him already. Me never know say you beat him a blood clot already. Me never know say you beat him already. Me tell him say whoop up blood clot here. Me say body whoop up here, but if you didn't know say no fight already, me da bite out and sweep on your blood clot foot. I wanted to say gang me over blood clot Brooklyn, yeah. Cause once when the gang me a beat me, I know say something gonna cripple me and me can't benefit off of it. It not really matter me a blood clot. It not really matter me. But I know when your blood clot, man, I gonna make post but NYMC, what am I gonna do? Cause me hold on pan back, make Ronnie blood clot beat. Tell him some ready no blood clot him if you tell us something in my blood clot inbox. If they tell us something in my inbox, I want fuck me off pan blood clot Jack. Yeah. The reason why I never get for fuck me, I throw me a girl a like pose up. And him never want pose up with blood clot because him respect you. Him respect you, that if for blood clot tell you. Say him look me upon blood clot Jack and text up my blood clot and me they go fling it up on him now. Me they go fling up look a nice goodness on him cause you not get the boy no goodness. Me they go fling it up on him now blood clot but him never go pose with me so me cancel it. Me cancel him blood clot Ramsey and decline him application. Me cancel him resume and decline him blood clot application. And that him for blood clot tell you. The boy text me down pan Jack for my tightest blood clot kitty. The boy text me down pan Jack for my tightest blood clot kitty. When you beat up Ronnie, I never say blood clot because I never know what cause the war or nothing. Me never know how to start fight or nothing, but you know say Tian, you know say a long time I should have blood clot page, cause me in the house, you know. Me in the house. When you send the message to TT phone, say anyway you see Ronnie, I'm gonna beat Ronnie. I give me a message for give me blood clot friend. You give me a message for give me blood clot friend. Like say you blood clot bad girl, me not see you no girl. Me not see you no cause you little blood clot girl, you know. You little blood clot girl, you know. Me not know you know. You got me know you from blood. Me ask you something. Me know you from blood clot somewhere, eh? I know you from blood clot somewhere. Mr. Ronnie and blood clot, now when I fight, I'm Mr. Loud them a one-on-one. I never know son the blood clot jump on you already. When you know son jump on you already with a blood clot bite out and I got my blood clot, say. I got my blood clot, say, but me tell Ronnie some need for going to the gym cause the weight I gonna make him blood clot dead. He might go obese some blood clot dead if him in the gym. Him with a active no blood clot and a run and drop and run and blood clot. You ever see me a fight and drop yet? Me no fight and blood clot drop cause fight and drop that a lose. Fight and drop that a blood clot lose. Me never blood clot in our argument. So when you gonna make post so you gonna send message about immigrant and blood clot this and blood clot that far. Eh? And me have papers like when me there Dubai in a blood clot and me heartbeat. Me there Dubai with some top building and give me heart attack no blood clot. When me look down say look heart attack me a catch. Them have to rush paramedic to come for me no blood clot. Them have to rush me got the ER, yeah? And them life them would have make myself live, yeah? Don't big up your blood clot, pop. Don't big up your blood clot documents. Go sit on one side with that. Blood clot. Me never know say you have blood clot. Me never know say you have blood clot, you have US passport. The last time I check is a green card holder. The last time I take your documents not have no eagle pan it a blood clot. The last time I take your picture on the piece of card where you have black and white. It not big and pretty like when at the blood clot burgundy book. A burgundy or a blue. Me not even remember. It not pretty like when at the blood clot burgundy book or the blue book. Your picture black and white like my one, the blood clot. Your picture black and white like my one. Black and white. Your documents no page no have to skip a blood clot. No page no have to skip. Them just gonna swipe it. Them just gonna swipe it. Move your blood clot but you come attack about refugee. Me no come here come see no black president no blood clot. Me come here come see white resident me racist. Me no like Batman. I don't like when the Batman who dead out no blood clot. I Sodom and Gomorrah. Fire and brimstone and down the blood clot. I don't like uno. I don't like a bone in a dirty blood clot. Uno for blood clot dead. Me say me come here, me never come here come see no black president a blood clot. Me come here come see white president. Donald blood clot shot me racist. Me not like Batman. Me not like blood clot Batman. I don't like uno for dead no blood clot. Uno for blood clot dead. Uno for dead. Blood clot. When you love me a blood clot, no man, me did see a suck with girl. Me soon me did busy about uno on the blood clot war. On the gang run here, I never know say a gang on the gang him, I'ma sit back low, on the gang him, I'ma still never come there live and cuss, I say on show the gang him. Me still a son of a blood clot done. And you still a go post, you still a go call my blood clot name. Eh? You still a go post, you still a call my blood clot name. You have documents say you're homeless in a blood clot, go burn your paper. Come sell me it. Come sell me a green card. Come sell me a green card. We are exchange. Exchange is no robbery. Me I give me food stamp, you give me a green card, you're hungry in a blood clot. You're hungry in a blood clot. You go me know you're from blood clot somewhere. Me never know some know you're from one time blood clot if they are convinced Adam to buy the blood clot apple. Eh? Me never know some of the blood clot know you're from when Eva convinced Adam to buy the blood clot apple dirty tian. Eh? Me never blood clot know that. Sokutian. Sokabolo. Me never blood clot know that. Tian, you wabby me. You wabby me. For me see me fight no blood clot on 125th and strip. You depend. Anytime I fight a some you go strip. Anytime I fight a some you go strip. You wanna be me. You fight like a girl, you don't beat Ronnie. I true Ronnie a bad and depend nowhere. Nowhere I really that that's why the people them say when you're not fling a healthy blood clot lick. You go like you fling blood clot healthy lick. You not fling a healthy lick, you fight like a crippled girl in a blood clot. You fight like a blood clot, baby. Me don't know why them don't paste it. Something the blue, the handicap stand in your back. The blue something with the O with the wheelchair, as some call it. The blood clot O with the wheelchair and the middle. And that them forgot blood clot put you, and that them forgot put in your blood clot back. Not a healthy lick, it's not like in here for him, Ronnie don't get a healthy lick. Actually, Ronnie big and fat and sour, swagger like him blood clot obese. True Ronnie big and stink and swagger like him blood clot obese. Like he a blood clot bad girl, but it hurt me, you see? It hurt me. True, me never know so to jump my blood clot friend. But anytime my friend see her, my friend guts the blood clot lick your back. He guts to catch a felony for you. You guts to get back a lick. I what, my man? When I shut up on my blood clot head, my dead pan bigger phone, iPhone this Motorola. Shut the fuck up. I'm talking. Anytime my friend see a dirty tea and you guts to get back a lick. Me not ask Christ and me not question Jesus. Ronnie guts to beat your back. And if you are now in a part this time, me go hold you, make him beat you. Since that's my sister when him run for 2 seconds, him tired and him drop down like Chris Pusha. Him drop down like Chris Pusha. I got one up on your blood clot, make him lick out your blood clot and you can't bite me. You can't bite me. You can't blood clot bite me like you bite him in them trace. You cannot blood clot bite me. Yeah. Anytime him see him, I feel lick your back. I truly don't want him get in no trouble now. Me not make him blood clot up here over the shelter where you're there. I make you get put out and I beat up on top of blood clot. It can run your mascot, run it have Kiara running and run over uno. Me just for squash one on the blood clot and pick up 72 felony. That's just the truth. Me just for run over one on the blood clot and pick up 72 felony. Run your fool. Ready a blood clot, fool, like you can blood clot pussy me up. You can pussy me up. Drop like wrist blood clot pusher, that me say. Wrist pusher, drop like blood clot, wrist pusher. Boy, you gonna make pussy, boy, you're not blood clot. You're not refugee. Eh? You're not blood clot refugee. The way you come in America is in a blood clot, you should have walk a broke fight in a street and a strip. You should have BFD stand. I mean, for them something like that, I mean, come America rough, I mean, them train. I mean, them did blood clot chain up. You never get no blood clot chain. Them never blood clot chain you up. Them never blood clot. You don't have problem with refugee. You don't have problem with refugee. Oh, blood clot. I never know say your social have 9 number man have blood clot 23. Eh? I never know say your blood clot social have 9 number man have blood clot 23. Eh? I never blood clot no. I never blood clot no dirty blood clot Tian. After I no jump my blood clot friend, I'm in a talk, I never know. I never know what occur. Me never blood clot know what occur. I'ma take it with pain inside a blood clot. I'ma say everybody a post the video. Cause you know where them a post the video? Cause them a say I'm a body, I'm a blood clot friend. You see when no one see I walk him, when no one say, you know what no one say? Who your bad friend there? Who make sure never come blood clot? Call me then I say we can jump Ronnie. I make my blood clot line up feet and put the car in a blood clot D. Make we put the car in a blood clot D. I show them say we have Yankee disease in our blood clot. We run over bitches. We have Yankee disease in our we run over bitches. Yeah. We run over bitches. Run your lick on a blood clot. Run for me, my butt up now in our head, no blood clot, and knock out speechless. Any run me, I run, me that fear run to the blood clot police station. Any run me, they run, me that run to the blood clot police station. Una notice when me I go, me no need Phoebe, me no need cookie to come back at me. If them say them now come, me go buy my blood clot, self come, I can buy a Corona and drink it and stand up my blood clot, and prepare for bucket and stab out my blood clot way. Yeah, una go kuna blood clot girl, una bad girl a blood clot foreign, eh? You go look at blood clot bad girl a foreign dirty tea and you wanna be me. Phoebe, me not hard you can you not come stand up yan. Me a bust it for my life, me not want in an explanation. Me a bust it cause them jump my friend and it hurt me cause me never know what go on. Me never know what blood clot go on and I take turns for my friend. Yeah. When I take terms for my blood clot friend, I never know. Because in the party, I feel like it's a blood clot. When I out I do, I take terms for my blood clot friend. I should have come out, come see when I not take terms for him. Yeah. I should have come out, come see when I not take blood clot terms for him. Because my friend never come at the party in and know what we don't know. Him drop me off at the party, I'm going to say, buddy, stay like I'm not staying at the party land, just stay. I say, buddy, the party empty. Nobody go away. Just wait for me. And he said, alright then. Ronnie make blood clot, Noel come, I can't come explain to him. 4 minutes tell us Noel come up in blood clot, spitting her on Noel face and blind her. Spitting her eye and blind her, spitting her mouth and poison her blood clot. You make Noel come and explain so she can take tea and make tea and lick from blood clot back way. And put your blood clot ground, eh? Eh? Put your blood clot ground. Mascot, you know. For me come out, come see blood clot. Now what our tea and it squash up on the blood clot gong. Yeah, fool.
Buddy.
Yeah.
You see why me tell it? You see why me that tell you say Batman. That's why me tell you say Batman you dead there. That's why me tell you should have got in the fight because your friend. Not because of 1-1. Your sister him and Noel first in the fight. Then after him and Tian start fight.
No, buddy. And the fight gone. Him and Tian first. When him and Tiana fight, me in the club, I text Ronnie, I said, girl, me I come out now. Them time they Ronnie phone in the car. And Ronnie out there get beat up. So when me come out, me see the car run, me see the car run. Me uncle come out and catch me. Now well part, me never know the Tian done beat him up already. And me didn't know that me walk the two of them. Me swing, you know, me say, you know, paper plane, we used to be paper plane at primary school in the booklet and go so. I saw who that fear blood clot. Never if me didn't know, so them drop my blood clot, friend, yeah?
Because when me see, all my
bottom of my heart, me say, pain my kidney, I fracture my blood clot liver. It pain my kidney, I fracture my blood clot liver. Yes, I'm a blood clot, lungs feel like it catch anesthesia. The way my blood clot hurt me for sure. It hurt me. It hurt me. Wanna take terms span him. Wanna take terms span him say must blood clot tired. Wanna take terms span him. Him never used to walk, grab phone and run. Him never blood clot active like me. Me used to walk and grab phone and rub some active blood clot like Carmelita Jetta. Ilian Thompson, Veronica blood clot, Campbell, or whatever they want. You used to grab phone and run some active. Running a blood clot active, running go good, me not go good. On the team talk my friend and take terms for my blood clot friend. And go like on win fair fight. You not win the fair fight. You not win the fair fight. On the beat him on him Thursday. On the beat him on him Thursday. On the never beat him on him drink a bottle of blood clot catching peak. Only never beat him when them drink a blood clot back like catching peak. Only beat him when him blood clot thirsty. On the beat him with them trust the all the rain of fall, running up with a blood clot. Do like Papa the Sailor Man. You see when him eat him spinach and get blood clot strong. You see when he do like Papa the Sailor Man, then dig up the car, dirty water and go and pour up no blood clot. You do a dip up look at the dirty water in the rain and pour up no blood clot. You drop like a idiot. You drop like a blood clot idiot. Eh? You drop like a blood